Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Diototaye when they bring on ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbes mona gather your man yarn na the tori as e dey hot. Today news we wan talk about the Rivers State government, how they increase for their hospital when they build. Now they don start to dey build another hospital again. This construction e worth 25.9 million naira. Na dem wan take construct this hospital. This hospital dem wan build am for cancer and cardiovascular treatment patient. People wey get cancer, people wey get cardiovascular, na dem go there for treatment. So the Rivers State governor wey dem dey call Nyesom Wike and the Minister of Health wey dem dey call Dr. Saige Iheanaire. So na dem come do wetin? Flag off the money wey dem wan use take construct the hospital, and dem come name am Dr. Peter Odili Cancer and Cardiovascular Disease Diagnostic and Treatment Center in Port Harcourt. Wike come talk say this hospital of cancer and other disease dey expect am to be completed within the next 14 months. So he come make this announcement known to people on Monday wey be on the 7th of June 2021. So he come make point say despite the whole katakata, the whole insecurity wey dey happen for the country, his state don fit dey succeed to make all the whole promise when they do wetin when they promise the time when they take enter for seat. Say because Rivers State people dey stand with am the time when they take do wetin put am for post 2015. They stand with am, they do everything with am. So he come vow with him life say he go must make sure say Rivers State better dey get something from his administration. So Wike come talk say a lot of people dey wonder say why they name the center after the former Rivers State governor wey dem dey call Dr. Peter Odili. He come tell dem say he honor the man with the naming of the center because the man don contribute a lot to the state. Say to him God don use Odili take change the narrative when he get concerning his state. Say because a lot of people dey talk say Dr. Odili na bad person. He say if you hear say they talk say na bad person, no be for anything, na because of say he talk say Ekwerema go must be the governor. That is why some people dey talk say na bad person. Make you no lis ten to them because the man don do a lot for the state. Say now na time to do wetin to thank him because no be everybody go fit do wetin stand with you in times of bad situation. He cause him make this announcement to the Minister of Health Dr. Osaige Iheanaire. Say the medical doctor wey dem wan employ for this center make dem make sure say dem dey responsible, because when you go inaugurate another hospital wey dem don build, mother and child hospital, the way the place be, e no like am, e dey very unkept. So this one make dem make sure say dem maintain am. Dem dey pay dem but dem no fit dey do wetin do anything. The thing dey very bad. So make dem put more effort in saving life, in maintaining the whole place, taking care of the center. For the center dem wan put all the whole equipment wey dem go need for treatment. So make dem make sure say they take care of am. So my people, now say ma do wetin come let una know another hospital wey Rivers State government don do wetin dey build. At least dem still dey try for all this hospital wey Rivers State dey build. Only be say people no dey when dey maintain and dey take care of the facility. So make we go straight to our second news for today, my people. So the governor of Imo State wey dem dey call Hope Uzodinma don come out again yesterday wey be on the 8th of June 2021 come talk say e get anybody wey go fit come outside come tell am say APC no go win the next election. My people, Hope Uzodinma say anybody no go fit come out in concrete terms to accuse the government with one failure or the other. They never fail. They do everything complete. say all wetin pipo dey tok na Fulani herdsmen and farmers dey fight. Fulani herdsmen kill 200 pipo. Fulani herdsmen do dis. Fulani herdsmen do dat. Dem kidnap pipo. Dem dey kpai pipo. Na only wetin we dey hear be dat. Say apart from dat one, di APC government dey don do di rest thing. Employment dey. Youth no fit come outside come talk say dem no get work. You no fit come outside come talk say salaries dem no dey pay dem, or dem no dey construct di road dem. Dem dey construct all di whole road. And you no fit come outside say di railway no dey work. Railway dey work well. Dem dey empower youth in different area. So wetin una want make di APC government dey do for una? So if you know say dem raise you well, come outside come talk one or two reason why di APC government no go win di next election wey dey come up. So say dis security issue wey we dey hear up and down, so na some top pipo dey send some hoodlums go different place go commit all dis thing. Then daytime dem go come and come dey blame di government. So the only problem wey you see for dat country na only insecurity. Say everybody do wetin dem dey okay. How everybody take do okay? So you say make anybody come and come talk their own. One, lack of focus. Dem no focus at all. Dem no dey straightforward. Two, the country dey very bad for economy. Three, corruption dey everywhere. This one wan chop money, this one wan chop money. Everywhere dem wan dry the country. Four, political appointment. Dem dey appoint people wey dem no suppose appoint. People wey no know their work. Dem no know wetin to do. And many other things. Poverty dey there wey e dey kill people. Unemployment full everywhere for there. No work. So Hope Uzodinma say make person come tell am wetin go make dem no win the next election. If you get your own, talk am come outside. As him dey talk so, fear go let Hope Uzodinma drive from Abuja to Kaduna. So sometimes if I dey look dis man, dey reason whether na comedian he wan try to be or na wetin. Anyway, if you look am sef, e dey very right, because na dem dey control everything for dat country. And with dem, everything is possible. So all Nigerians have to do is to vote well. Make dem no allow anybody come put person for seat for dem. They should not allow them to be used again. They should stand up for themselves and vote the right person if they want. So the ball dey your hand to play. Na you know how you wan play am. If you like, go vote again. These people make dem enter. At least some people when you vote them in for 2015, they see the experience wetin everybody dey experience, so they dey surprise. So stand up for your right and vote the right person if you wan vote. So my people, now say ma do wetin, call let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.